Hello everybody, my name is Melvin Moras. I am associated with the Leprosy Mission Trust India since 2012 and looking after human resource domain. I am also the designated safeguarding lead for the Leprosy Mission Trust India. I am thankful to Cindy for giving me this opportunity to speak on the topic HR metrics. What are metrics? So, what do we understand by the term metrics? Metrics means a system or a standard of measurement. Common types of human resource metrics are time to hire, cost per hire, employee turnover, absenteeism, etc. Most metrics have 6 elements. Those are measurement of quantity, measurement of quality, measurements of time, measurement of money, measurement of satisfaction, and measurement of benchmark comparisons. Why are metrics important? In HR, metrics are used to measure, understand, control, and improve on systems. It is said that if we cannot measure it, we cannot understand it. If we cannot understand it, we cannot control it. And if we cannot control it, then we cannot improve it. Hence, metrics are used in HR to improve HR systems to be more efficient and effective. Why should we use metrics in HR? Generally, the HR cost represents around 60% of all our operating cost. So, metrics in HR are used to increase the workforce performance to the optimum level in terms of productivity, capability, satisfaction, and employee engagement. More importantly, metrics in HR are used for decision making to improve HR systems to be more efficient and effective. As the picture on the slide shows, from a transactional focus to a value-added business focus. Now, let us look at some examples of HR metrics. One of the example of HR metrics would be recruitment and selection. The possible measures under recruitment and selection are cost per hire, speed of hire, yield ratio, number hired, etc. Let us look at how to measure cost per hire. To measure cost per hire, we need to take the following costs into consideration. Those are advertisement cost plus consultancy fee plus employee referral cost plus the travel, boarding and lodging cost of both candidates and the panelists if any, and the relocation cost divided by the number of candidates hired. For example, let us assume that we have spent 20,000 on advertisement cost, 30,000 on consultancy fee, 10,000 on employee referral cost, and 30,000 on travel, boarding and lodging costs of both candidates and panelists, and 10,000 as relocation cost. The total amount that we have spent in this example is 1 lakh. Assuming that the number of candidates hired are 10, 1 lakh divided by 10 would be 10,000 is the cost of hire per candidate. Likewise, we can measure speed of hire by date of hiring the candidate minus date of vacancy. Let us say we have hired a candidate on 15th May 2020 and the date of vacancy was on 30th April 2020. If we minus 15th May 2020 to 30th April 2020, 15 days is the speed of hire. To measure yield ratio, we have to take the number of applications received divided by the number of applications selected for interview. Let us assume that we have received 70 applications and number of applications selected for interview are 10. So 70 divided by 10, 7 is the yield ratio. Similarly, to measure number hired ratio, we have to take number of applications selected for interview divided by number of candidates hired. As mentioned in the above example, the number of applications selected for interview are 10. Assuming that 5 candidates have got through the interview, 10 divided by 5, 2 is the number hired ratio. I know this is a bit technical. I am sharing my notes with Sindhi along with this PPT for you to understand. If you have any query, you can definitely write to me. Let us move on to some more examples of HR metrics. Another example of HR metrics would be training and development. The possible measures under training and development are cost per trainee hour, cost of training per employee, cost of lost work per employee, etc. To measure cost per trainee hour, we have to take the total cost of the training divided by the number of trainees attended into total training hour. The total cost of the training would consist of the cost of the consultants and their travel and boarding and lodging if any, travel and boarding and lodging cost of all trainees, venue charges, other expenses such as material cost, etc. For example, let us assume that we have spent 3.5 lakh on the cost of consultants and their travel and boarding and lodging, 5 lakh on travel and boarding and lodging cost of the trainees, 1 lakh on venue charges, and another 50,000 on arranging other materials such as stationery, books, etc. The total cost we have spent in this case would be 10 lakh. Considering that number of trainees attended this program are 50 and total training hour is 5, 50 into 5 would be 250. So 10 lakh divided by 250, 4,000 is the cost per trainee hour. Similarly, we can measure the cost of training per employee. To measure cost of training per employee, we have to take the total cost of the training divided by the number of trainees attended. As mentioned in my earlier example, let us say that we have spent 10 lakh on cost of training such as cost of consultant, their travel, lodging and boarding, travel, boarding and lodging cost of the trainee, venue charges and other expenses, and the number of trainees attended are 50, 10 lakh divided by 50, 20,000 is the cost of training per employee in this case. I hope you were able to follow my presentation. I thank Cindy once again and all of you for participating in this workshop. I have shared the notes with Cindy along with this PPT for you to understand better. I wish you good luck.